Good morning students. Today we will study different types of reaction. There are four types of reaction: addition, elimination, substitution and rearrangement reactions. These four reactions are very much important for exams, and in the exam there are two are asked in 5 marks question. Each reaction is for 2.5 marks. So you have to know the definition and also example of each type of reactions. So there are four types of reaction: addition, elimination, substitution and rearrangement. So one by one we will study. The first types of organic reaction. There are four different types of organic reaction. They are addition reaction, substitution reaction, elimination reaction and rearrangement reaction. So there are four types of reaction. These are types of reaction. In the last class we have studied types of reactive intermediates. These are, don't get confused. So here you are having four different types of reaction: addition reaction, substitution reaction, elimination reaction and rearrangement reaction. First is addition reaction. When two same or different molecules combine to give product, the reaction is called as addition reaction. So what is addition reaction? When two same or different molecules combine to give one product, that is known as addition reaction. Unsaturated compound give addition reaction. Unsaturated means having double and triple bond compound give this type of reaction. Alkenes and alkynes give addition reaction, because in alkenes there is double bond and in alkynes there are triple bond. They are known as unsaturated compounds and they give addition reaction. For example, ethylene when treated with bromine gives addition product. So ethene or ethylene on addition of bromine gives 1,2-dibromoethane. So in the place, so here double bond is removed and here we are getting bromine and bromine get added here. So it is 1,2-dibromoethane, example of addition reaction. So what is addition reaction? When two same or different molecules combine to give a single product, then it is known as addition reaction. Next is substitution reaction. A reaction in which atom or group from a reagent is replaced. Remember here, what is it? It is replaced by another atom or group is called as substitution reaction. When replacement of atom or group of atom is taking place, that is known as substitution reaction. In addition, only two or more different kinds they are getting added. But here they are replaced. Substitution means one is replaced by another atom or group of atom. That is known as substitution reaction. There are two types of they are electrophilic substitution reaction SN1 and nucleophilic substitution reaction SN2. So examples of substitution reaction: hydrolysis of ethyl bromide by alkali in aqueous medium gives ethyl alcohol. So ethyl bromide in the presence of alkali gives ethyl bromide. So this is substitution reaction. In the place of Br, OH is there. In the place of OH, Br is coming. So this is substitute. OH is substituted for bromine and bromine is substituted for OH. This is known as substitution reaction. Then elimination reaction. The reaction in which removal of atoms or group of atoms from adjacent atoms in the substrate take place, resulting in the formation of multiple bond. It is called as elimination reaction. What is happening from adjacent atom? Some group of atoms are getting removed and we are getting double bond and triple bond are formed. That is known as elimination reaction. Elimination is removal of atoms or group of atoms. There are two types of. They are unimolecular elimination reaction E1 and bimolecular elimination reaction E2. Example of elimination reaction: alkyl halides in presence of strong alkali in non-polar solvent undergo elimination reaction to give alkene. So 1,2-dibromopropane in the presence of alcoholic KOH gives propene 1-ene. So here what is happening? HBr is removed. So here KBr is removed and water molecule is removed and you are getting propene. So single bond is there, here you are getting double bond. This is known as elimination reaction and the molecules are, some molecules are removed. So elimination means, what is there? You should remember here, removal of atom or group of atom. In elimination, something is eliminated. In substitution, something is replaced. In addition, something is added. Atom or group they are getting added. In substitution, they are getting replaced. Remember the word replaced. See here, elimination, you remember the word removal of atoms or group of atoms. Next, rearrangement reaction. The reaction in which an atom or group of atom migrates from one side to another side within the molecule to form isomeric product of the same compound is called as rearrangement reaction. Isomeric product means there is no change in atomic number. So number of atoms are same, but the groups get rearranged. That is known as migration of the group is taking place. Migration, here you have to remember the word migrate. In rearrangement what happened? Migration of migration of the atoms or group of atoms take place from one side to another. It is known as rearrangement reaction. On the basis of migration of group of atom in the molecule, there are two types of reaction. They are intramolecular rearrangement reaction and intermolecular rearrangement. So INTR, intra and INTR, intramolecular rearrangement reaction and intermolecular rearrangement reaction. So in rearrangement reaction, what happens? Migration of atoms, group of atoms or molecules takes place by the, sometimes they are getting separated from and then getting added, or sometimes without separation they are getting added. Such type of rearrangement is known as, there are intramolecular and intermolecular rearrangement reaction. First is intramolecular rearrangement. When the rearrangement of a molecule takes place in which the migration of group of atoms takes place without getting free. So it is not getting detached. Without getting detached from the rest of the molecule, it is called as intramolecular rearrangement. So in intramolecular rearrangement, what is happening? The migration of group is taking place, but without getting free, means it is getting being attached and it is getting migrated, but it is not getting detached. Without getting free from rest of the molecule is known as intramolecular rearrangement reaction. Example, conversion of butane to isobutane on heating in presence of aluminum chloride. So butane is getting rearranged to isobutane. So the molecular formula is same, but butane is getting the molecule is getting rearranged to isobutane. Such type of rearrangement is known as intramolecular rearrangement reaction. Next is intermolecular rearrangement reaction. When rearrangement of molecule takes place by the migration, here the migration of group is taking place by getting completely free from rest of the molecule. The rearrangement is called as intermolecular rearrangement. So in intermolecular rearrangement, what is happening? First the molecule is getting separated, then getting added in another position. So migration is taking place by getting completely free from the rest of the molecule is known as intermolecular rearrangement reaction. Example, conversion of hydroazobenzene to benzidine in acidic medium. So this is hydroazobenzene in acidic medium gets to benzidine. Here NH2 group is from the middle, it is getting on the side of the benzene, that is benzidine is formed. Hydroazobenzene gets converted to benzidine. Such type of rearrangement reaction is known as intermolecular. Here, but to remember, in the intramolecular, it is without getting free from the rest of the molecule, it is getting attached to the same molecule, and here in intermolecular it is getting free from the molecule. When we see the mechanism, you will know that how it is getting free, but here you are not having the mechanism, so you only understand that by getting completely free from the rest of the molecule, it is getting attached to another side of the molecule. Such a type of rearrangement is known as intermolecular rearrangement reaction. In intramolecular, the molecule is getting without getting detached, it is getting attached, and here it is getting completely free from the rest of the molecule and getting attached to another side of the molecule, that is hydroazobenzene gets converted to benzidine. Such type of reaction is known as intermolecular rearrangement reaction. So today we have studied four types of reaction: addition, substitution, elimination and rearrangement reaction. So in addition reaction, addition of the molecule taking place; in substitution, replacement is taking place; and in elimination, some molecule is eliminated; and in rearrangement, migration of the group is taking place. So these four words you have to by heart that. See, in addition what is happening, in elimination what is happening, in substitution what is happening, and in rearrangement what is happening. That words, keywords you have to remember so that they will not face difficulty in the exam. So there are four types of reaction: addition, elimination, substitution and rearrangement, and these four types of reactions are very important for your course. Thank you.